முதுகு வலியா மூட்டு வலியா கை கால் நீட்ட மடக்க இயலாமையா அறுவை சிகிச்சை இல்லா குணம் ஆயுட்கால நிவாரணம் டாக்டர் ஸ்ரீவர்மா பிசிஆர் மகாராஜா தைலம் அனைத்து மருந்து கடைகளிலும் கிடைக்கும்.
Our Chief Minister has spoken to the AAP leader Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, also to the Punjab Chief Minister and to the Chief Minister with the letter from our Chief Minister Mr. M.K. Stalin. He has assured us that he will come to Chennai for the meeting on delimitation on 22nd, and the party has assured their support on this issue and they have promised to be part of this campaign which our leader has taken forward.
As of now, how many parties are supporting the DMK on the issue of delimitation?
The parties, specifically states which are going to get affected, like Punjab, same way Andhra, Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and also Kerala. Leaders from across India have agreed to support us, and we've already seen that leaders have been coming forward and tweeting and speaking in public platforms in support of our Chief Minister, who's taken up this issue about unfair delimitation and that justice should be done to all states.
What can be the further course in the case of delimitation when we talk about specifically about the DMK?
No, our leader had called for a all-party leaders meeting in Tamil Nadu, especially from across even the opposition parties. He had invited ADMK and opposition parties also to come and participate in the meeting he held and to have a discussion about delimitation, and he has listened to everybody's voice and opinions. So today he's called for a meeting of leaders from across the country, across the nation, and after deliberations and discussions, definitely we'll come up with a solution.
Home Minister Amit Shah has always assured that no state from either from south or north is going to lose any seat when delimitation is going to happen.
We have seen them promising many things, and we've seen them not keeping up any of their promises. Apart from that, when he came to Tamil Nadu, he said that on pro rata basis we will not lose any seats. But there are other questions because it's not clarifying anything. His statement, more than giving any clarification, has led to more confusion. So we want a clear statement from the union government, a clarification from the union government about how this whole issue, because till today there is no other way other than until you amend the constitution, that if you can have delimitation based on something else other than population. So if they do it on based on population, I think states which have controlled population.
Pro rata can
we want to know what is pro rata. We want an explanation about what pro rata is. Pro rata can mean that we will not lose seats. We might have our 39 seats, but other states might get their numbers doubled. Though again our representation will be coming down and we will be suffering. So our Chief Minister has clearly said that explain what that means. We should not get affected. Thank you.